In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a sales team in Pipedrive. First, log into your Pipedrive account. From the main dashboard, open Deals. This is your command center for tracking opportunities. Create a fresh structure by selecting New Pipeline. For this walkthrough, name it B2B Sales. Choose a clear, team-friendly name so everyone instantly knows what belongs here and your reports stay clean. You can tweak stage names or ordering later without losing any data, so start simple and improve over time. Add 2 essential end stages. Start with a 1 stage. This is where successful deals land, and it powers core metrics like revenue, win rate, and cycle time. Then add a lost stage. Capturing lost deals is just as important. It lets you analyze outcomes, learn from close lost reasons, and improve the earlier stages of your process. When those stages look good, click Save Changes to publish the pipeline. Next, set up your team. Open your profile menu and choose Manage Users. User management lets you control access, keep data organized, assign ownership, and track performance by person or group. Click Add User, type the teammate's work email, and use Preview to double-check details and the default permissions. When everything looks right, send the invitation to bring them into your workspace. Role-appropriate access protects sensitive accounts while enabling collaboration, and invited colleagues appear in owner lists as soon as they accept. Head back to Deals and switch to the B2B sales pipeline you just created. Add a new deal to demonstrate the workflow. Start by selecting the contact person so the deal is tied to the right relationship and activity history. Enter the deal value, then set the correct currency to keep forecasting accurate across regions. Add labels to categorize the deal, for example, by segment, priority, or product line, so you can filter and report fast. Set the status to In Progress so it's actively tracked through your stages. Add a probability that reflects your current confidence. Anchor the number to your playbook rather than optimism. Choose an expected date to help you plan pipeline coverage and manage month or quarter-end targets. Finally, assign an owner. This is crucial for accountability, routing tasks, and having clear visibility over who moves the deal forward. When all fields look good, click Save. You've just built a pipeline, invited a teammate, and created a structured, trackable deal. Exactly what you need to manage a sales team in Pipedrive with clarity and consistency. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.